Yo, what is up guys, it's Take You here back in another video, and today guys I will go ahead and show you guys all really quick some tips on how to speed up your Windows 10 PC, whether that is for gaming, productivity, or just a faster OS in general. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright, so guys, first go ahead and get to control panel, in which you can access from the start menu. So just go ahead and type in control panel, then go ahead and look up power options, in which you can have right here, and just click on it. After that, you should be forwarded with two options, which are balanced and high performance. Go ahead and select high performance. I already have that, but especially if you're on a desktop PC where you don't have a battery, always select high performance. Alright, next up you want to go ahead and look up the fragments and optimize drive in your start menu, as you can see right here, and go ahead and select it. After that, you should be greeted at this page, and go ahead and select your C drive and click on optimize. And as you can see, it's analyzing. It's not going to take too long. I would say under 30 seconds for most PCs, but as you can see, it is loading right now. Alright, so as we can see right now, it's all set up, so now you can just close it. After that, go ahead and go to your start menu and press run. You should then be greeted with this dialog box, and after that, go ahead and put the percent symbol and then temp and percent symbol in, and then you should be at here with a bunch of files. And now what you have to do is just Control A all these files and just go ahead and delete them like this, and go ahead and continue and select do this for all the items. And after that, go ahead and go to the box and click on run again. This time put in only temp and just click continue. After that, delete all these as well, so just Control A and then delete these, and select do this for all the current items and click continue. Alright, next up, go ahead and get to run again, and this time go ahead and put in prefetch in the box and click continue again, and you should be greeted with more files, and simply delete them all. And if it can't delete, then just skip them. Alright, and afterwards, that is it. Now just go ahead and empty out your recycle bin. Just Control A and then just press delete and click on yes. So now everything is deleted. Alright, next up, go to File Explorer, right click on your local disk, click on Properties, and then go ahead and click on Disk Cleanup. Afterwards, select Cleanup System Files, and it should be cleaning it up right now. Alright, now click OK and select delete files. When it's done, you can go ahead and close the box. Alright guys, this is the final thing. Go ahead and press down Control Shift Escape, which will open up Task Manager. Go ahead and click on Startup, and now you can see all the apps that are in your startup menu. So if you want to just click on disable the ones that you don't want, and those can speed up your PC a lot. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you'd like to see more tech tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. Thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you guys all in the next video.